Hi everyone, I'm Charlie, Global Beauty Director for Stila. I'm excited to introduce you to our one-step correct skin tone correcting and brightening primer. Specially formulated with Stila's Youth Revival Bio Complex, a proprietary blend of 15 vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Ideal for balancing out the skin and correcting uneven skin tones. This triple swirled helix serum instantly primes, color corrects, brightens, and nourishes the skin for a flawless face. The green one instantly neutralizes redness and conceals blemishes. Lavender tone counteracts sallow undertones for a vibrant, energized look. The peach tone brightens, illuminates, and helps diminish the appearance of sunspots. Now I'm using the kitten shade for when I want that lit from within glow. I like to apply on clean skin before foundation with a brush or my fingertips to blend it out. One Step Correct really allows me to create an even texture on skin so it's ready for makeup application. Thank you so much for watching. Come and play. It's the Stila way.